Okay, welcome for today's lesson. This is Teacher Paul Ndirangu, and today we are going to look at, still on our topic, resources and economic activities. And we started looking at mining in that economic activities, that is under subtopic mining. So far so good. We have looked at two minerals in Kenya so far. We started with the soda ash, just a preview of what we have covered. We started with the soda ash and we said it is the leading mineral export in Kenya. We said it is the leading mineral export in Kenya. It is mined at Lake Magadi. It is mined at Lake Magadi. That one is in Kajiado County. It is mined in Lake Magadi, that is Kajiado County. Then we also said that it is a mineral which is floats on the surface of the water. So that rock that contains soda ash is known as trona. The rock containing soda ash, it is known as trona. So with the trona, it is a substance. It is that hard rock which is now covering the surface of the lake. It is mined using dredging method. We said that it is mining using dredging method, using a machine known as the dredger. The dredger flows on the surface of the lake. Then from there, now the machine can crush and absorb that trona, which is taken to the factory and washed and packed in form of salt. Then we said we have the uses to make soap, detergents, we have glass, we have caustic soda, we have the dye, paper, medicine, fertilizers, and among others. We also talked about fluorspar. We said it is mined using quarrying method or pit or open casts, and it is mined in Kimwarel in Kerio Valley, at Kimwarel in Kerio Valley. We also talked the uses, strengthening steel and aluminium. To strengthen is to make something hard. And then we talked about the manufacture of toothpaste, the one we used to brush with. We talked about the refining oil in water refining. We also looked at making tins and cans used to store pesticides, food, insecticide, and used in manufacture of sulfuric acid and cement. Now we are going to look at something different, that is diatomite, another mineral, which is diatomite. And as the others minerals we have talked about, diatomite is mined at Kariandusi near Gilgil. It is mined at Kariandusi near Gilgil, and it is on the slopes of Nyandarua ranges. On the slopes of Nyandarua ranges. On the slopes of Nyandarua ranges. Diatomite, it is a whitish mineral in color. It is a whitish mineral in color, and because it was formed from skeleton of small organisms called diatoms. The diatoms, it is formed from the small organisms, skeleton of small organisms called diatoms. These diatoms, they were covered by soil and then compressed by the layers of the soil which was forming to form a white powder. Because that white powder, it was subjected to very high heat, and then it started burning slowly by slowly to form that white powder. It is mined in Kariandusi near Gilgil, as we have said, on the slopes of Nyandarua ranges. It is mined using the open cast, pit method, or quarrying. Open cast, pit method, or quarrying. Remember, it is just the same mineral. Open cast, pit, or quarrying. A pit is just a smaller hole. To quarry is just to remove the layer of the soil and remove the cover of the soil. Then you are left with the mineral on the surface. So this method, the open cast or pit method or quarrying method, remember we said it is used to mine minerals that are near the surface of the earth. Near the surface of the earth. We have said Bamburi in Mombasa. So the most common areas where it is mined, it is at the river mines here in Kajiado, around Kitengela region, and the Bamburi in Mombasa. Those are the commonly or the largest mines we have in Kenya. So let's limestone, uses of limestone. Uses of limestone. It is used to manufacture cement, the most common mineral used to manufacture cement. Manufacture of lime. Lime is a whitish liquid which is extracted from washing. After washing that limestone, then the liquid is used to treat water, specifically to absorb impurities. For example, if you blow air, we breathe in. When you blow the air out inside the lime water, it turns milky. Then you have road construction. We have road construction. So the limestone, it is a soft rock which can be crushed to form a powder. Then that powder is now mixed, or it is grounded to form what we call maram, and then the maram can be used to lay the roads, to smoothen the roads, and so on. Then we have to treat water, road construction, manufacture of paints, manufacture of lime and water, and manufacture of cement. So far so good. Those are the minerals we had to discuss today. This was Teacher Ndirango. Until we meet in the next lesson, have a good day.